How to install EruLearn. Installation quick guide. You need to execute a few simple steps before proceeding to installation. First, unzip the EruLearn to the localhost path. Create the EruLearn data folder outside the localhost directory. Create a database. You can use MySQL, MariaDB, or PostgreSQL for this. Before installation, kindly see the full documentation. Let's get started. Enter your data directory path here. Choose your database type. Enter your database name here. Enter your database username here. Enter your database password here. Press Continue. Please check whether all the requirements are fulfilled or not. Press Continue. Installation in progress. Please do not press the browser back button. Press Continue. Now it's time to configure the admin account with some important information. Enter your site full name, short name, and summary here. If you want to enable email-based registration, please do not forget to choose email-based self-registration. You can do it now or later also. Bingo! We have completed the installation. Thanks for watching.